Alright, I'm back again. I got another secondary fan in. It's not brand new. It's not probably 100% the best, but it does work and it does create airflow. So I'm going to use it up. I'm just using leftover components that I have hanging around. You know, may as well use them all up so they don't go to waste. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these screens over the top of the fan to keep it from getting as dusty, so it's easier to clean. I know it's an open frame, it's not really going to make much of a difference, but it'll reduce a little bit of the dust anyway. Got the dust catcher on there. Looks like a vacuum cleaner inlet there. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I have one of these hanging around, GPU elbow, so that you can have the cord hang down and have one GPU there. That's the bigger one. But no, I'm not going to be able to use this. I just realized I'll have to use this on the other GPU that I put in. Can't put it on that one because it's only 3-pin. You can't put it on the other two, so that's ours. Okay. Now we're going to put the memory in. That's the memory we're putting in, 16 gigs. More than enough to mine with. The stick I have hanging around. So I'll put that in. And there's the Viper memory installed. And I got this fan hooked up to CPU 2, this one over here, so they can control the speeds. And the one with the 3-fan one, cooler for the GPUs. That one is connected to the other fan port on the back there, so they can control the speeds of it as well. Now the last thing I'm going to do is put these other two PCI riser cable connectors in there. So when I put the other GPUs in, it will be ready. So I'm going to plug them in down there, and I'll go plug them in. There's all the USB cables plugged in, and the small risers right there connecting the PCI slots. And I didn't connect the other two yet. They're just in the package because I got to put in the other 3 GPUs. Oh yeah, I got one more cord I gotta plug in. One more. Alright, there's all the PCI riser cables there now. And it's a big octopus right now, but when I get the other cards in, I'm going to zip tie it all up and get it a little more neater. But basically, that's it at this point. We'll be creating another video. I'll be putting three more GPUs in tomorrow, and we'll create another video, and we'll proceed with this mining rig build. And you know, once I later on down the road I mine a little bit of money, I'll probably add some more fans on it. And I'm just budgeting this one as a budget build, not like my last build was all out, not a budget. So, see you soon. And if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. And leave your comments if you like seeing these videos or any suggestions of other type of videos that I can make. Just let me